everyone, it's me, Asawang Filipina, and today's vlog is we're going to San Carlos City, so I have to drive. So imagine this is my outfit just to throw the garbage in the city because we have a garbage nearby, but it takes a month for the pickup truck to pick up the garbage. But in the city, they have this schedule like twice a week, so I have all of this garbage that I have to throw. We're gonna close this one. Let's go! We're gonna film later na climbing because it's intense driving climbing, and then it was fun. So okay, let's start the car. So when we reverse, you have to always do the foot brake, and then don't let go the foot brake, just play with the foot brake, and then it's dark, but then yeah. Okay. And then, okay, I have to drive, so I have to stop the camera. So this is it. I'm parked. I have to on the lights. Hear the music and the weather. Always perform the seatbelt down. And always look first before you drive. Here. Drive and brake down, blinker left, and go. Finally, we're here in the city, and I'm here in the parking area. See, I'm on the lane, and let's go inside because my daughter is hungry, so we're gonna eat first, take lunch. DIY, Chantel. So everyone, I'm driving to the mountain, back to the mountain. So there's no traffic here in our area, and you have to climb very steep. Driving in the rain, you have to be careful and speed up. So that's all. Reminders, and don't try to overtake if you are not confident to overtake.
Nagkatawa ko ba? Si mama na ay rilawa siya katag-an nga unsay oras. Ako wala rila kung gilaan akong kamot nakatag-an pa ko.
Let's control, no? Foot brake, drive, and brake down, and finger left. So the way that we're gonna drive, and here's the mountain here in the province, so clean and clear and fresh with a lot of trees and vitamins in the eyes because of the forest. I see you. So my daughter have to sing while I stopping here. See, what song is that na? I see you, and then. Sige na, go ba? I stop it for you. See, background lang, I don't show your face. You're gonna drive na.
Yeah, but now we're gonna drive, Dad.
Yan, green, no?
Ato ang pinula din ha. Luto na itong snacks niya. Ayun, doon na may kapon. Ayan,
Hi, so today I'm driving here in the mountain and we do some shopping and then we just go around in San Carlos City, and also I do the gasoline. So every time I come here I always make sure that I'm full tank, and then I'm with my daughter here behind me. So for now I'm driving home and I see you next vlog. Bye! Guwapa kay kanak.